Hi everyone, this is Honey Lacson once again. So today's mini vlog, magluto tayo ng hopya. So ayan, I bake it at 180 Fahrenheit and for 20 minutes. So ayan, salo siya ng oven. Natuto ako mag-bake nito kasi favorite ko siya, yung hopya. So ayan yung finished product niya. Sa mainit pa po yan. So kakaano lang galing ng oven. Ito naman yung ating pandesal. So maganda po siya every morning sa coffee or kahit anong gusto nyo na for breakfast. At ito yung finished product ng hopya na malamig na. So ayan. So for flaky niya today is perfect for merienda po. And our cheese pandesal also. And so thank you so much for watching, guys. Once again, this is Honey Lacson. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you. Bye.